Hi, and welcome to How to Create a FIPR Account. Prior to starting, there are two aspects to consider. First, what kind of account do you need? Second, you need to make sure you've completed the necessary paperwork associated with those accounts. To understand what kind of account you need to understand whether or not you are going to be participating in submitting data or accessing data that is shared. The quickest place to find more information is to go to How to Get an Account on the FIPR website. Here you can see an infographic that walks through the entire process. It defines each of the modules within the system and how they work together for those individuals who are submitting data or who are accessing data. It also has quick links to the documents associated with those two different account types. If you are going to be both submitting data and requesting to access data, you will need to complete both documents. In this example, I'm going to go through the process as if I am requesting a data submission account. First, I will download the necessary documents. I will read through the FIPR data submission request form. I will then complete the submitter information and certifications section at the bottom of the document. Please be sure to fill this document out completely. For example, when entering the research project field, be sure to include both a title and a brief description. If you just include a title, this document may get sent back to you for updating. Additionally, please make sure all signatures have been completed. If you are the principal investigator, you do not need to sign both the PI signature and the signature field. However, if you're a data manager or any other role aside from the principal investigator, please be sure to obtain your principal investigator's signature along with providing your own on this document. Once completed, please navigate to the FIPR website. Now that I understand that I am requesting a data submission account and I have completed the documentation, I go to the Login button on the FIPR website. I'm now going to navigate to Request a New Account. The next screen will provide a table that contains links to the same documents discussed previously in this video. I then have a location to upload the documentation that I just completed. In this case, I'm going to select that I am uploading the data submission request form, and then I'm going to select the document I just completed. I now can select Upload, and I will see the entry of what I have just uploaded to be sure that it was completed effectively. I will then select Continue, and here I will be asked to fill out information like my desired username and password, and enter other contact information in order to create my account. I've entered in some sample information. Please be sure to fill out all fields that have the red asterisks, as they are required in this process. It's also important to briefly describe why you are requesting access to the system. Here, in this example, I am a research coordinator in a lab that will be submitting data for a specific study. Now that all the fields are completed, I will select Continue. On this screen, I will be able to select the account privileges that I need in order to carry out the functions I'm asked to do within FIPR. In this case, I'm a data contributor, but not a data retriever. So I'm going to select Other, and I'm going to select the modules that I need in order to submit data. Those include the data dictionary, the GUID, the data repository, and I'm not going to be using Proforms in this example. For more questions about which modules you might need access for, please reach out to FIPR Operations. If I was part of a data access group, I would select it here. However, in this example, I am not part of a data access group. Finally, I will select Submit Request. At this point, I get a confirmation that my information has been sent, and my documents go to an external committee who will review the documents for completeness and verify that the study I am part of is approved for FIPR data submission. In 3 to 5 days, I will get a notification from the system that my account has been approved, or someone from FIPR Operations will reach out should additional clarifications or updates to my documentation be required. And that's it. If you have any questions about how to create an account, please reach out to FIPR Operations. Thanks so much.